APHC leaders have said Kashmir is not a land or law and order issue but a nuclear flashpoint, and Modi's approach is putting the whole piece of South Asia at stake. The APHC leaders Ghulam Ahmad Khan Sopori, Bilal Siddiqi, Zamruda Habib, Yasmeen Raja, Farida, Bahenji, Dr. Musaib in their separate statements in Srinagar said that the just solution of the Kashmir dispute is to end turmoil in the South Asia. High Court has quashed 4 detention orders passed under Draconian Public Safety Act law and directed the authorities to release the detainees from custody. The court has quashed the detention orders of Zubair Ahmed, Tausif Ahmed Mir, Jahangir Ahmed Malik, Shabir Ahmed Mir and Abid Ahmed Dar. They all are the residents of the Kashmir Valley. The court said the failure on the part of the detaining authority to supply the material renders the detention order illegal. Migrant Kashmiri Pandit employees have intensified their months-long protest demanding a transfer from the Kashmir Valley following Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's remarks about stopping their salaries. The migrant Kashmiri Pandit employees are seeking relocation outside Kashmir as they know that the Modi regime is making them a scapegoat to project normalcy in the territory. A Hindutva leader Mahant Paramhans Acharya of Tapasvi Chavvi have said that he would even go to the extent of burning the film star Shah Rukh Khan alive if he ever meets him. The Hindutva outfits including RSS, BJP and Bajrang Dal are protesting over Shah Rukh Khan's starrer newly released Indian film Pathaan. Mahant Paramhans Acharya claimed that the saffron color has been insulted in the Besharam Rang song. 30-year-old man from Indian Punjab was arrested by Jabalpur police for allegedly putting a poster of Sikh spiritual leader Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindrawala on his tractor. Prabjot Singh participated in the Sankirtan procession of Sikh on December 18 by putting the photo of Jarnail Singh Bhindrawala on his tractor. Bhindrawala was killed during Operation Blue Star in Amritsar in 1984.